What's up, guys? I am back and we are doing some shipments today. I've got a few orders, super excited about it. It's the first shipment of the year. We've got 3 items and we're gonna get right into it. Let's get right into it. So the first one I've got going out is going to be, let's get some light over here. First one I got going out is going to be these Flare cruiser wheels. These ones just sold $24. This is going to be Amazon shipment. Got these new packages we're going to be using and bubble wrap. We're getting them all out today. The next one that was sold was this little Broward nail piece. Sold for, I think it was like $70, $78. This is one of the $10 finds I found at the liquidation bins for $10. We're getting it out sold for like $80 today. Really excited about to get that one out. And then I got this one. I got this one right here, which is some ink. This ink is for a DeskJet printer. It's black and got a color ribbon as well. I had it listed for like $6. I took a offer of $5. I think I took $1 off. That's fine with me. This was a fill bag for $10 day, so 50 cents, maybe a little less, 50 cents, because I got more than 20 items that day. So fill bag for $10. Got this already sold for about $8 after shipping. So those are the 3 hauls for today. It's gonna be pretty easy to get shipped out and taken out, but that's going to be them. First shipments of the day. One's going to North Carolina, one's going to Michigan, and one is going to somewhere else. We'll figure it out. Let's get it packed up. Alright, so we are back at another liquidation store. Today we're doing some more sourcing. I got everything shipped out earlier, and now it's time to get some more items to sell. We're going to hit up this liquidation store, and then I got a thrift store I'm going to go to. I haven't done one of those yet, so I'm really excited to see how that's going to go. See if there's any finds inside thrift stores. But we're at another liquidation store because I'm pretty much addicted to these now. I've been like every day since, except for a few, because I had to list the items. So these things are definitely where it's at. I'm having so much fun doing this, and I am profiting a ton every single time I come here. Today is $2 items, so I'm hoping to be able to get some decent items for $2. I'm gonna try to be flipping these items for about $15 to $20. So I'm trying to get about, good returns on these items. And we're back, but I'm going to go out there and get some sourcing. I did bring the GoPro, so we're going to get some good footage this time. I'm going to be doing a voiceover when I get in there, and we'll just figure out what we can find. But we're out here sourcing again. Let's go. So we're into, this is Empire Liquidators. It is local here to Omaha, Nebraska. They just opened up. Great store, great employees. Really helpful every time I go in here. If you're interested in the music playing right now, I actually produced this. So you can check me out on my other channel. That would be Music by Voyager, Voyager Sounds. Check it out. I make beats and do all kind of other fun stuff on that channel. It'll be in the description. But we're at the bins here. And my first find is going to be these replacement belt kits. I put them in the cart. Digging around here, there's a lot of really opened up toys.
These right here are on Amazon for me. I picked those up. You can see all the Amazon Prime bands down here. You can tell this was definitely an Amazon band. I stay away from the nutritions and stuff like that because of the dates. But you could definitely see this was a Amazon bin with all those bands and Amazon logo products around. This right here is a blender. It's Chinese writing on the back, so you know it's kind of cheap. So I found this glass case right here. This is got some 2 decorative glass hand blown items in there. I checked them out. They're still brand new in the package. Threw them in the cart. I'm able to dig through and find that this is like a candle holder. I checked the comms on it, not very good. So it's back in the cart. More Amazon Prime lanyards. Those were everywhere in this bins. Alright, we're going around and we're finding some more items. And here where I went to a new bin. As you can see, the items are kind of thin here in these today. I wasn't able to find as much as I did the first time I was here. These little freeze packs, they were going for $8-9. Not worth the pickup at the time. There's some TikTok decorations. Yeah, not worth the $2 buy at all. A lot of this stuff was really cheap today. They got picked over pretty well throughout this trip. Some more collectible glass holders. In here was a copper wire candle. A lot of cheap decorative stuff. Nothing that I'm flipping very often. I look for smaller consumer goods, smaller stuff, easy to ship. Still kind of in the packaging. I don't really like loose stuff too much. This Rocky and Bullwinkle movie right here is right up my alley, but after the comms, it's not worth the pickup, sadly. So it got taken right back. Finding a lot of candles and filters. There's some few car parts and such. I went through the printer because I've been having a lot of luck with the printer ink. I'm digging around the printer ink and I hear something just yelling at me from the bag. And it sounded like Buzz Lightyear. I'm like, wait, what is that? Digging around, find a package in the back, still wrapped in the Amazon shipping, and someone had to want to hide this back in the printer ink. I feel bad, but I found it. It is a Buzz Lightyear straight up Toy Story already, and this thing sells for $20 online. I took it. Sorry to the kid that wanted it. Unfortunately, the helmet was a little busted up, but we'll get into that later. Good find. I was really excited. These things brand new, go for really like $40-50 if they.
Alright, you can see we are at a new thrift store now. We just bid the liquidations bins. It was super fun. We were able to get a few items for $2 today. We're going to go in here, see if there's anything else. We're going to see. I've never really done a thrift store, so we'll see what happens. Let's see what happens. Go.
Alright, so we're going to start off with this Mickey Mouse poster. Checked it out. The columns on it was priced a little high. I'm going down. I've seen a lot of knickknacks, a lot of older items. I see this Cracker Jack 10. It's listed for like $1.99. It looked cool. I'm gonna put it into the pile where I go and check back out later. I checked it back out later and it wasn't worth it. They sell for like $8. Saw a lot of glassware here. The glassware is cool, but I'm not gonna ship it. Too much damage and stuff. More older items. And then I found this Chia Pet, and it's a Duck Dynasty Chia Pet. They had it for like $2.99, $3.99. I put it into the lookup pile. I ended up not getting it. Really wasn't worth it. But they have some potential in this thrift. I see the potential in the thrifting, where you can pick up a few items and post them up for sure. A lot of this glass stuff again. I'm sure if I went through the clothes. There was tons and tons and tons of hidden gems, but I just went through the consumer goods to see if I found anything. We're in the kitchen supplies here, and I've got this knife right here is actually one that I picked up and listed on Amazon. It was a great one. And then went down to the books. If you wanted to make some money on books, these books are 50 cents. You can resell these books. You have to go through and find the ones that are in the best shape, but there is a market for it. Went and found these shoes. These ones right here, got them listed $16 plus shipping. I found it for $3. You really can't beat this. This thrift store is coming in clutch right now. Finding this guy right here, $14. I'm listing it, and it was for $1.99. I am excited about these finds right now at the thrift store.
Alright, so here is today's haul. Over here on this side is going to be Thrift World and the stuff we got at the thrift market. Over here is everything that we got on the liquidation bin. This was the $2 items, and this over here, $3.99 for the book, $1.99 for the game, and $2 for the in the package paring knife. I'm just gonna throw that on Amazon. This one right here is a printer. This one like $50. Comms right here. This right here has about $17 to $20 comms. I'm kind of nervous about this guy right here because I'm not sure if it's gonna work because of the head on it. When I got it home, I saw this part down here was a little broken, so the mask doesn't stay down. So the comms on this, what about like $10 with a broken helmet? But if it was intact, that would be a good one. And then a battery pack. This is going to be for personal use. These are battery. This is what is this? Oh no, these are light bulbs. The columns on those, I'll post these. These are little glass bowls, decorative bowls. They're pretty nice. And then a battery. Look at these so quick. This brand does. It's called a Camera Encino. They're so quick. And then this right here. We'll see if this sells at all. I'll put a comp up on it. And so that is going to be today's hauls. So we spent about $9 at Goodwill, or not Goodwill, Thrift America, and then it was $19 plus one personal item. So we actually spent $17. Why that's my math takes me so long, and we spent $17 on all these items to see for profit. So we didn't spend that much money today, but we got some good items. Let's see if we can get them flipped. I'm gonna go list them up right now, and we'll get back to it and then see how this goes.